Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to block someone on TikTok. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to go ahead and open the app. Now, to block someone on TikTok, you want to go ahead and tap on their profile image here. Once you do this, you'll come to their profile page. Now, in the previous version of the TikTok app, to block someone, you had three dots here at the top right. You just had to tap on it and then tap on block. But in the latest version, that three dot icon has been replaced by this arrow right here, which looks like a share icon. To block this user on TikTok, you want to go ahead and tap on that. Now, after tapping, you get this menu at the bottom. To block someone, you want to go ahead and tap on block. Then, this will now ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and read all that, and then once you are sure, just tap on block. Once you do this, you'll be able to block the person you want to block on TikTok. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now block someone on TikTok. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.